Okay, so this just came in today. This is the bonsai which I purchased. Okay, so this is the tree that I got, which I purchased yesterday, came in today, and I'm pretty happy with it considering how it looks. Check that out, right? So it already has a really good nebari right here, and the movement of the trunk is fabulous right there. Okay, so you have the branches, the branch placement is fantastic. Okay, you have the triangular shape already in place. What else do I need to do with this one? Maybe I could lower some of these branches in the future. I'm not going to do that now. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with what I got. There's a pot here. Okay, so just for context, this is my very first tree in Indonesia, as all of my trees are in the Philippines. Okay, so but there's another one that I'd like to grab. It's a ficus growing just outside of our door, and there's another tree from the same seller that I'd like to purchase, so you guys can look forward to that. But for now, I love what I got with this tree. The branch placement looks beautiful. It's a small tree. Okay, just for context in terms of size, that's how big it is. That's how small it is actually. Okay, pretty good. um, I like the pot. Look at that nebari right there. Look at that. Okay. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it for now. I love the tree. Let me guys know what you think on the comments section below. Have a great day.